Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakabai day bat kapang ban penshlo ki samla, ban seng yala ki kam ki jam lajong, ban yang hala ki jong ki jan. Ka sarkar hakan ka singi kala munjor ru ya ka jing terwa jokatnan Commerce and Industry, ban sedang penteri kam no ya ka Policy 2018. Ban yarab iki samla ki bapersang ban yang hala ki jong ki jan da ka baseng yala ki jong ki kam ki jam.
From Industries Department, Commerce and Industries Department, again one policy was brought to the cabinet, and this policy is known as Meghalaya Startup Policy 2018. Again I repeat, Meghalaya Startup Policy 2018. As you all know, previous years, I think maybe 2016 or 17, the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, he already declared this policy nationally, and that policy is startup policy in the national level, and the state government also today has approved this Meghalaya startup policy, where we can help our young talented friends, boys and girls, whoever, where we can maybe encourage them to explore their talents as well as their brain, which ultimately will be converted into livelihood, permanent livelihood. We would like to encourage, be it individual, or be it a society, or be it any association. We have two categories. As I said, one is individual talented personality, and the other one is cooperative society or societies, okay, in a group. So startup policy is what? Any new inventive idea which can be explored by any individual or by any society, okay, after taking into consideration all the issues, the talents that they discovered, okay, because in this policy we do have a screening committee which is to be headed by the Chief Secretary himself. So ultimately, once they qualified that point, once they qualified in that level, so they are entitled to get some benefits, and the benefits is as indicated in the startup policy. Because you need to read yourself. Ultimately, I can't explain line by line. I can't explain so much. So yeah. So what happened is, number one is some tax holiday will be given. Some tax holiday will be given to those people, those individual, or not only individual, even the society, as I said to you, okay, tax holiday will be there. And secondly is they will also get the benefits in the form of subsidy, okay, when they send the proposal to the government. I mean, when they invented anything, as I said to you, then this committee will screen it, and then ultimately they will see that at least as recognition to encourage them further, so incentive will be in place. And number three, I'm telling Government of India has also extended financial benefit, right from 50 lakhs, but that is only considered for the cooperative societies. If it is found out here in Meghalaya that startup, one cooperative society is found to be excellent, and they were the first one who invented the new idea, what happened was they can even directly apply some loans with 25% subsidy from the National NCDC, we call it National Cooperation Development Corporation. So they are entitled the loan of 50 lakhs up to 10 crores with 25% subsidy. So these are the policy, the startup policy. So I think today, this evening here, the cabinet has taken a very, very important decision for the interest of the state as a whole.